Yeah, what's happening, man? You back in full effect. Junkyard Dog in the house. So, it's been a while since I put out a video because my computer is down. I would have been put updates up for the Project Mayhem setup and some other things. So right now, we're just reorganizing the shop because I got pissed off because I was so tired of rebuying the same things over and over and over again. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll have something, I don't know where it is, I'll go and buy it, and then I'll find it, like I'll stumble on it like a few days later, and I got tired of that. It's like, organization saves you money, you know what I mean? So, yeah, it's a lot going on in here, but we throwing away a gang of stuff. So if you cruising around on the street around the shop, you can get some free stuff. So yeah, I went and bought some bins from Home Depot. Check it out. Boom. And I got some more up there. Say what's up, Chuck.
What's up?
Yeah, so yeah, just to give you guys an update, I did make this out of steel. The intake, I did have it out of paper the last time, but I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I have like a whole edit of how I did that. That's why I was like waiting on doing that, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys like a update on that. And then just to kind of put the bug in your ear, I've been working on my 67 Cougar, and I'm gonna do something a little different with it. So this is a 4-valve from a Lincoln Mark 8. So we're gonna be doing some kind of funky stuff with this. I got a guy online that I was interested in getting some rods from. I'm gonna get some heads from a Lincoln Aviator because they got the C heads like the Cobra, and do a bunch of other little upgrades to it. You know what I'm saying? So, and what else I got here? I got this little bootleg beginning of an engine test stand that I was working on. The wheels are way too thin. The steel is too thin. There's no gussets. So I went and got some nice casters, you know, from the local metal supplier, so I can finish it up. And I got a radiator for it and everything. So I'm gonna put Mayhem on that. But like I said, I gotta put some gussets on there or whatever and clean it all up because it got caught in the rain. So, but yeah, that's how I mount the motor. I'm gonna put together a little engine test stand. And we got some T5s cases that we're gonna put together. So yeah, please excuse the shop. It's an absolute disaster. Look at this pile of parts. Oh my God. AOD, oil pans, all of that. All right.
Disaster, big fella.
It's what?
It's a disaster, big fella.
It's too silly. All right. So yeah, look at that. I got a quarter panel. I got a floor in here. So yeah, back to it. So yeah, man. Till next time, thanks for being patient. Thanks for rolling with the dog. I got an update coming up on the website too. So for all y'all who are interested in hustling like I'm hustling, you know, if you're a Junkyard Dog yourself, you're gonna be able to get on my site within the next week and be able to post your parts and get paid by credit card like everybody else on eBay. You know what I'm saying? For like easy setup. All right. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that too. All right. So until then, we out here Junkyard Dogging. Woo!